can't take a whole long win for. You see me, and too much corruption there on my little circuit.
Now get no lane for this on a silk and viewing off a video, not voice note. That is it.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. If you should go inside the kitchen now and put on a pot of water for it boil, and you decide say alright, you have to just stick around and observe it while it boil. One thing I know for sure is that the bubble will start from the base and it will take your time and rise until it reaches the top. When you check a stack, the entire water boil up, bubbles they all over inside of the pot. I say all of this to say that a clash is bubbling under the surface between dancehall artist Jahshii and dancehall artist Silkboss. Very soon, I can tell you, remember me say it over here. So first, there is going to be a lyrical clash between the two very soon. And I am going to draft up and pull together all the evidence to show you say, hey, a bag of shares are true, a bag of punches are true, and it is only a matter of time before the two artists decide say them are going to go at it. And I will also show you evidence and tell you which one of them definitely are going to win and why one of them don't take the initiative to start the clash as yet or even to respond to one or the other as yet, simply because of what the outcome will be. Over on the other side of things now, DJ Khaled, from time to time, him come to Jamaica just to put together an album because that is his thing. He's a international DJ, producer, everything we can think of, and him always a release album from time to time. Now, every time when he come to Jamaica, there are certain people where him put on him album. I don't know the usual suspect like Sizzler, Buju Banton, and so on. But one thing with DJ Khaled for sure, him always make sure say him highlight the Jamaican culture, and maybe him running a one local artist differently from the usual suspect and send them to the forefront. Now him running to one of Jamaica's finest in the business right now, and me I tell you say that artist is now and it's just sad for know say DJ Khaled have to come to Jamaica for sure. We as Jamaicans say, yo, this man is one of the best doing it now. Before me get into all of that though, I am just going to ask you for one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click that subscription button. Also, click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you are not new, then leave a like on this video and leave a comment in the end. So yes, we'll get straight into it. Silkboss and Jahshii, as I said, a clash is bubbling under the surface, and it's only a matter of time before this war get going, this lyrical war. Now, about a month or two ago, maybe 3, as you know, Silkboss and him farmer manager slash producer slash vlogger Terror fall out because of some issues. Since the falling out, many things has been happening in Silkboss' career, and most of the things are detrimental for his career. So far, his career still a go on. Can't deny that. Now, there was a alleged sex tape between Silkboss and his girlfriend Bree that was leaked. In the tape, by listening to the voices, you could clearly hear say yo, both of them. After that, there was a follow-up with another tape and also a voice recording with both of them argue. Now, them come under heavy lashing for that, heavy scrutiny. Everybody thought about it, was all over the place. Jahshii now, take it up on him head. Him and Maryan, both of them, do a song. And the song is a very good song. We can't deny that Jahshii is one of the baddest artists right now. So him and Maryan do a song. And in the song, this was what Maryan had to say, and this was what Jahshii had to say. Listen. Yes, so there you have it. That was what happened in the song. Now, it's obvious. Said this was a shade at Silkboss and him girlfriend Bree. Now, you don't know Bree as the female, she go up on her IG, she posts a few things responding to it, but nothing big. Anyway, fast forward to now. Silkboss was doing a live, and while doing his live, the car and make a bag of noise. A bag of people are pressure him in the comment section and I tell him, say, yo brother, you sound like your engine a drop out, what kind of old car this I drive, XYZ. Silkboss now decides, say, yo, he not take that, so him diss up some of them and him cut off him live. Now we are seeing where Jahshii put out a video seemingly mocking Silkboss. Him in him car drive, as you can see it on the screen, and while driving, him basically I said the same thing like what Silkboss did I say. Like it's not a old car or whatever the case may be, as you can see it on your screen. Now, when this is happening now, it is obvious say immature shades at Silkboss. And it's not even say obvious say that immature shades at Silkboss. It is obvious say him a pick on Silkboss. Now, is it a case where him want him and Silkboss to go into a lyrical battle? Or it is a case where him just don't rate Silkboss, so no matter what Silkboss do, him a go always a pressure Silkboss. Tell me in the comment section if you believe say yo him just a pick pan Silkboss in order for them have a clash, or him just definitely no rate Silkboss. So whether Silkboss do good, him a go pressure him, whether Silkboss do bad, him a go pressure him. Now if a clash fi happen, tell me who you feel say I go win. Now many of you only know the Jahshii where we know now. But if you are someone maybe 15 and above and has been following dancehall, you would know say not because Jahshii is seemingly a culture artist right now, him is not no walkover. You remember Jamil? You remember Virgin? That just show you say not because a man not decide say them want sing the gun. Hey, at them man they have to fear, you know. Just imagine you have an artist like say Jahshii now where just a sing pure culture song. A whole heap of ammunition him have, you know, because all of the gun songs where him would use are already put out, him have all of them store up. So a man will already steal out him gun song them. Figure clash a man where sing culture song, we have a bag of gun song store up, it nah go easy to beat them. And not only that, remember Jahshii enter unruly clash when him about grade 8 or grade 9 at Excelsior. None of them could beat him. As what him say in an interview, just because him at the schoolers at the time, him couldn't really continue the clash. But if you go back, go watch it, Jahshii rub out quad of them, Jahshii rub out Anamasi, Jahshii rub out everybody in the clash as a second farmer in the unruly clash. So, me can tell you this straight. Whenever this clash happen, I don't see how Silkboss I go beat Jahshii. And probably that is the reason why up until now, him don't really respond to Jahshii or put out a song in responding to everything what Jahshii do, because him probably just accept it, say yo him now can beat Jahshii. But tell me in the comment section who you feel like I go win this clash whenever it happen, because it will happen. If somebody a bully you, one day you have to stand up for yourself, and we know say one day Silkboss are going to take it up on him head and him will respond to Jahshii, and that is when the lyrical battle will begin. But tell me down below who you feel say I go win. Shane O and DJ Khaled now. DJ Khaled there Jamaica, as I said, and him happen to run in a Shane O. Based on the location, it seems as if it was at UCM Bowl Tracks and Record, and him turn on him video a vibe to Shane O Dark Room while Shane O was right beside him singing the song. And me just can't believe that Shane O such a great, one of the greatest songwriters in Jamaica, one of the greatest when it comes down to melody, delivery, performance, everything. And you have to tell me say DJ Khaled if you come to Jamaica, for Jamaica know and accept say yo, Shane O great, hey, that is bad. I am a big fan of Shane O. So even though me I put myself in it and say Jamaican, I am one of them. Down to the other day, the video me do on Rhino, me also talk about the song when do with Shane O and put it in the video and stuff like that. So I am a big fan of me. I always support Shane O. But it's just sad for know say yo, somebody like Khaled have to put it to the world for people know say yo, Shane O are one of the wickedest thing about ya. Come on man, Jamaica we need to start accept the real deal in our music more and not just pick up everything as a song go viral on TikTok. We just say yeah, a top artist this. A man like Shane O, where I write so much hit song for people, I write so much hit song for himself. It's like when I remember say, yo, them man ya is the real deal. Them man ya is actually doing something for the music and not just doing something for the music. Them man ya is the music. It's just sad, man. And anyway, me just want to run go even support the new song we share now of Dark Room. I think it latest song. You can stream it on YouTube, Spotify, Audiomack, or wherever you want to stream it. Just stream it and continue to send the artist a road. But as I said, tell me in the comment section whenever the clash between Jahshii and Silkboss start, who you feel like I go win and why you feel like that artist I go win. Bless up.